Welcome to my channel. Easy guide to upgrade firmware on your Linksys router. Step 1. Connect to your router. Make sure your computer or laptop is connected to the router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. A wired connection is recommended for stable update. Step 2. Open router login page. Open any browser and type 192.168.1.1 or linksys-smart-wi-fi.com. Press enter to access the login page. Step 3. Log in to admin panel. Enter your router username and password. Default login details are usually printed on the router label. Step 4. Go to firmware upgrade section. Once logged in, navigate to Administration, Connectivity, Firmware Upgrade. The option name may vary by model. Step 5. Check current firmware version. Before upgrading, note your current firmware version. This helps you confirm if an update is needed. Step 6. Download latest firmware. Visit the official Linksys support website and enter your router model number. Download the latest firmware file. Step 7. Upload firmware file. Go back to the router dashboard and click right finger choose file, browse. Select the downloaded firmware file and upload it. Step 8. Start firmware upgrade. Click on Start, Upgrade button. Warning: do not turn off the router during this process. Step 9. Wait for reboot. The router will automatically restart after update. This may take a few minutes. Step 10. Verify update. Log in again and check the firmware version to confirm the upgrade is successful. Thanks for watching.